Turn around. You can come out. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, so I got you something that you're not expecting and you're not waiting for. You didn't ask for this, but I thought it would be a good gift because you love the Nintendo Switch, right? Don't you love it? Right? So I figure I buy you a bigger gaming system so you can play like a lot. You want to open it and see what it is? All right, let's do it. Okay, come on. Start opening. It's the biggest gaming system you've ever seen in your life. Come on. You need help. Are you handicapped? Easy.
Is there a layer of a box?
It's a box.
Come on, come on.
Come on.
It's a box. Open it.
Come on, she needs help. It's a box. What kind of box is it?
Dog cage.
Well, what's in it? What's in it? What's in it? Come on, tell me what's in it. Here, let me help you.
No!
Okay. Easy, easy. He's very scared.
No!
Get him out. Get him out. You can grab him. He's okay. He's very, very calm and peaceful. Very calm. Easy, easy. Which is paws.
Oh my God.
Which is paws. Easy, easy. Okay. Okay. I got him. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I got him. Okay. Come on. Bring him out. Bring him out. Bring him out. Bring him out. It's okay. Here. Let me bring him out for you. Come here. Hold it. Hold it. Hold this. You can bring him out. Bring him out. Deja la puerta así. Okay.
Leo, take him out. Paga eso.
Okay. All right. Hold on. I want to see her take it out. Here. Hold this.
Can you open it from the top?
I got it. No, I got it. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Okay.
You don't know that you can open it from the top?
Here's your new pal. You can name him wherever you are. Easy, easy. He's a mini poodle, and he was, when I got there, he was fighting with his brother outside.
Your brother?
Yeah, he has a brother, and they were fighting like crazy outside. So I brought shampoo because we gotta give him a bath, and he needs to be groomed because his hair grew a little bit. He's 3 months old.
I'm gonna name him Charlie.
Charlie? Well, Charlie it is. He was born, I got the paperwork. When he was born, I have everything. Everything is an official. He went to the doctors today. They gave me all his shots, everything. We went to pick up all the records. So, that's why it took so long. So, what do you say? This is an early Christmas gift for you. Okay, there you go. I told you it was a surprise. And he's very calm, very just your style. The other brother was